Hey everyone, Chris here from Bootcamp Spain. We all celebrate weight loss, right? But what if I told you there's a hidden problem that can make you feel even worse than before, even when the numbers on the scale are down? Many of you, especially if you've used rapid weight loss methods like GLP-1 medications, might be experiencing something called sarcopenic obesity. Sounds fancy, but it just means you've lost weight. Maybe a lot of it. But a significant portion of that was precious muscle, not just fat. You might look thinner, but inside you're actually skinny fat. You feel weaker, tired, and your metabolism has taken a hit. Think of it like this. Your body is a car. When you lose muscle, it's like losing parts of your engine. Even if the car gets lighter, it runs less efficiently, burns less fuel, and struggles to climb hills. Your metabolism slows down, making it easier to regain weight and harder to feel energized. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about your long-term health, strength, and energy levels. This is why many people who lose weight rapidly, then stop their medication, find the weight creeping back on. Without that muscle engine, burning calories and keeping your metabolism active, your body is primed for a rebound. But here's the crucial part. It doesn't have to be this way. At Bootcamp Spain, we specialize in rebuilding that essential muscle and resetting your metabolism. We focus on specific strength training, targeted nutrition rich in protein, and a holistic approach to restore your strength, energy, and prevent that rebound effect. Our goal isn't just weight loss, it's sustainable health, vitality, and feeling stronger than ever. If you're feeling weak, tired, or worried about regaining weight after your weight loss journey, we can help. Click the link in our bio to learn more about our specialized metabolic recovery programs. Let's get you strong, vibrant, and healthy for the long run. See you there.